Head of the Dallas Public Schools promised the city council today that the district will still be able to feed and educate thousands of children impacted by schools shutting down. JD Miles joins us live from Dallas. And JD, the superintendent also talked about a student that we've learned is infected with COVID-19. What did he say?
Yes. Brooke, heartbroken is how Michael Hinojosa described his feelings about that infected student who we are told, who he says is recovering at home. It's one of the reasons why this school and more than 200 others have been vacated now by DISD. Hinojosa faced some tough questions from the city council about how students can continue learning while staying at home. The superintendent addressed the city council one day after closing all campuses, affecting 160,000 students in more than 230 schools. He says it's still unclear when they will be able to go back to school before the school year ends, or whether it will affect graduations or graduation ceremonies. Hinojosa told the council no employees are known to have the coronavirus, and the classmates who had contact with the infected student are being tested. The big concern right now is continuing education at home, with an estimated 40% of the student body lacking any kind of internet access. Hinojosa says he's working to get Wi-Fi devices either purchased or donated that could solve the problem.
There are solutions with hot spots, and we have a number of hot spots. We're going to be asking for others to be donated. If people want to help, that would be a great solution.
Now, all secondary campuses like this one will be open starting tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. They will provide 3 days of meals and lesson plans. Hinojosa says more than 90% of the student body in DISD is economically disadvantaged, and he says those meals are just as much of a priority as the lesson plans. Live in Dallas, JD Miles, CBS 11 News.